Today we are going to solve some questions. Consider the following statement respect to niche of the organism. It refers to the functional role of played to the ecosystem, and ecological niche is unique for every species. So C, it's unique for every species. The term niche, when used in the science of ecology, is used to define an organism's role in ecosystem. Not only does it niche include the environment that a given organism live in, but it also includes the organism's job in the environment. So niche may also encompasses organism eat, how it interact with other living elements, and also how it interact with non-living. So each organism has an invariably defined range of the condition that it tolerates, diversity in the resources it utilities, the distinct functions. So this is unique also. Okay, next one is consider Kamlang Tiger Reserve is located at Himachal Pradesh. Tiger is euthermal element. Kamlang is not Himachal Pradesh, I think. Yeah. So Kamlang is not in Himachal Pradesh. Okay. Next one is recently Nilambur teak was the status of GI tag. So in which it belonged to which state? So it belonged to Kerala. Kerala Nilambur teak has now been given the prestigious geographical indicator taken by GI and registry the intellectual property India. It was the initiative taken by Kerala Agriculture University along with the Nilambur Teak Heritage Society, the Kerala Forest Research Institute and Department of Forest that helped to Nilambur its GI status. Nilambur teak is famous for its quality. One of the world's most sought after the wood, it has unique feature and durability, distinctive color. Nilambur teak is said to be the high resistant to fungal and exhibit antioxidant also. India ranked 10th into world in the 24% of the tree cover and though 2.4% world surface area and 17% of humans livestock. So FAO reports is the top 10 nation reporting the greatest annual net gain in forest area. There is 8021 square kilometer in the total forest tree cover of country. Like it's increase 8021 like 80 million hectare. And compared to the previous assessment, like 80 million hectare we have increased the total forest and tree cover 24% and that area. And the significant thing is that increase in the forest cover has been observed very dense forest. So very dense forest is increased. Okay, it's in the mind. Absorb maximum carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Andhra Pradesh followed by the Karnataka, Kerala has shown the maximum increase. First is Andhra Pradesh, then Karnataka, and then Kerala. Okay. Madhya Pradesh has the longest forest and term of area followed by the Arunachal Pradesh. So first is the Madhya Pradesh, then Arunachal Pradesh. But in terms of increment, first is Andhra Pradesh, then Karnataka, then Kerala. In terms of percentage, we have Lakshadweep. Okay, Lakshadweep and Mizoram. First is Lakshadweep and second is Mizoram. Okay, and Andaman Nicobar. So this is about forest cover. Next one is Ministry of Environment and Forest is the primarily concerned with planning, promotion, of coordination of implementation variant environment forestry policy. The ministry also agency to country for the United Nations Environment Program, South Asian Cooperation Energy Program, and International Center for Integrated Mountain Development, and for the follow-up United Nations Conference on Environment and Development. Ministry also interested issues relating to multilateral bodies such as the Global Environment Facility and the Commission for Sustainable Development, Economical and Social Council for the Asia and Pacific, South Asian Association, Regional Cooperation, SAARC also. So Svalbard Global Seed Vault is lost seeds in gene bank during large scale. It is located in Norway. So Svalbard Global Seed Vault is located in the Svalbard archipelago, that is in Norway, and the worldwide more than 1700 gene bank holds collection of food crops safekeeping. Yet many of them are vulnerable, exposed not only to natural catastrophe and war but also to avoidable disaster such as lack of funding or poor management, something as mandate as the poorly functioning freezers, entire collection and the loss of crop varieties and inversely extinction of the dinosaur. Which of the following word advised to reserve? Nilgiri. part of the biosphere reserve. Nilgiri, Gulf of Mannar, Nanda Devi, Kanchenjunga, all of 4. Biosphere reserves are Nilgiri, Gulf of Mannar, Sundarban, Nanda Devi, Nokrek, Panchmani, Simplipal, Acharkamar, Amarkantak, Great Nicobar, Agastya Malay, and the Kanchenjunga. So terrestrial, marine and coastal ecosystem, each reserve promotes the solution, reconciliation, the conservation of biodiversity with its sustainable use. Biosphere reserve are nominated by the national government and the remains under the sovereign jurisdiction of the state where they are located. Their status is international recognition. Great Nicobar and Agastya Malay and Kanchenjunga. Which of the following is the natural world heritage sites? So Sundarban, Manas, Kaziranga and Great Himalaya, all of 4. UNESCO World Heritage Sites are Great Himalayan National Park, then Kaziranga, then Keoladev, Manas, Nanda Devi, Sundarban and Western Ghats. So these all are in that. Biodiversity hotspots are the earth. Both biodiversity is deeply threatened. To qualify the biodiversity hotspot region meet two strict criteria. It must have 1500 vascular plants, which is to say it must have a high percentage of plants life and found now here. A hotspot in other words is irreversible. It must be 30% less than original natural 1500 vascular plants and 13% of the natural vegetation. In other words, it must have threatened. So around the world, 35 area qualify as hotspot, represent 2.3% of Earth's land surface, but they support more than world's plants species found into the and nearly 43% bird, mammal, reptile. Which of the following is endemic species? So these are the species organically found in a specific geographical region and not found anywhere else. So जो specific geographical region में keystone species, these are the species which have disproportionately large effect on the community. And indicator species, these species are whose presence, absence, abundance reflect to the specific environment conditions. And flagship species, these are the species selected to act as the ambassador. So flagship species is the ambassador and icon and symbol. And about the endemic species, so these are the species organism found in specific geographical region, not found universal. That is called the endemic species. Okay. So next one is which of the following is associated with it. Priority species is the animal species which management concern. So conservation, world wildlife. So priority species worldwide fund term to which animal species which is management concern. The African wild dog, for example, of the concerns because of the critical endangered status. Lion and hyena, on other hands, are the concern the considers the priority species because of how heavily they impact on the wild dog and number in natural threats to animals such as wild dog and the cheetah is Indian species competition, which is the especially lion. By understanding the demography and the feeding ecology of the lion and hyena, and by maintaining their population, for able to conserve the African wild dog. So the ecological impacts environment that the species be has and also be a concern. For example, high density elephants and have a detrimental effects on the ecosystem, and we therefore also need to monitor this priority species to establish the population demography. Consider the conservation assured is a new conservation tool to minimum standards for effective management of target species. The first conservation standards are developed for which of the following? So this is for the tigers, okay. And the priority species, like priority species animal specially managed concern worldwide fund for nature. So there is lion, hyena managing the populations and conserve the African dog. So this is about the conservation assured is a new conservation tool which is for tigers. So conservation assured is a new conservation tool to set minimum standards for effective management. The first specific standard for the tiger, Panthera tigris. At the present, few protected area truly effective refuge for tiger, and this is contributed to the catastrophic decline in their number over the decades despite major investment in the conservation. So elephant and realizing the ambitious goal of the doubling the global tiger population, committed made to the tigers and developed by the Worldwide Fund for Partner Global Tiger Forum, and this requested member will be the established National Review Committee for purpose of initiating the Nepal is the implementing process. Bhutan, Bangladesh, Thailand, Indonesia, Malaysia, India. And global Aichi targets is particular Aichi targets 11 to 12% of implementations program work to the protect the areas. Next one is which among the following is the IUCN critically endangered? So Malabar civet, Namdapha flying squirrel, one-horned rhinoceros, Gangetic river dolphin. So 5 is not there obviously. 1 is yes, pygmy hawk is yes, and Namdapha flying squirrel. So 1 to 4, 1 to 8, 3. Actually, one-horned rhinoceros is not. One-horned rhinoceros is vulnerable, and Gangetic dolphin is the endangered. Okay, one-horned rhinoceros is the vulnerable. Orang is Assam. So relatively lesser known Orang National Park is Assam and displays the have at Kaziranga National Park as a reserve with the highest tiger density. Kaziranga is the highest tiger density, followed by the Corbett in the Uttarakhand and the Bandipur in the Karnataka. This is Big Cat. An Orang Tiger Reserve is for the National Tiger Conservation Authority and the Wildlife Institute of India. So next one is consider the following Tibetan antelope. It is included under the Schedule 1 of Wildlife Protection and which is get the highest degree of protection. So regarding the Tibetan antelope, and world most experienced Shatooth wool is made from the undercoat of Tibetan antelope. So another one, it is included in the Schedule 1 of Wildlife Protection Act 1972, which gives the highest degree of the protection. World most extensive Shatooth wool is the made from the undercoat of the Tibetan antelope known the Chiru. So both are not true. So the Tibetan antelope is the include under the Schedule 1 of the Wildlife Protection Act, which gets the highest degree of the protection. Chiru are found in the Tibetan Plateau, the highest, biggest and the most remote plateau in the world. Chiru inhabited higher altitude plains, undulating hills and the mountain valley. So the exceptionally fine the underfur of the Tibetan antelope Chiru insulate it against the harsh climate Tibetan Plateau. And unfortunately, the first known the Shatooth also make the Chiru targets illegal hunter. So the Tibetan antelope is the include under the Schedule 1 Wildlife Protection Act, which gets the highest degree of the protection of the Chiru, and this is the biggest and most remote plateau in the world. Chiru inhabited at the high altitude plains, undulating hills and the mountain valley. So it's include the Schedule 1 of Wildlife Protection Act and which gets the highest degree of protection. While most expensive Shatooth wool is made undercoat of Tibetan antelope. Their necked condition stands for contrast to the seeds and oval for flowering plants, which enclose within the ovary. There have many very simple flower without unnecessary warts, and the microscopically the carpel and the agreed cone. Oval are the present in the surface of the carpels and directly pollinated by the pollen or organs. So style stigma naturally for the Cycas and Pinus gitatum, and the gymnosperm and angiosperms for the production of plants. They are distinguished from the gymnosperm characterized by including the flower endosperm with seeds and production of fruits contain the seeds. Angiosperms are the most highly developed plants and having the conspicuous in the sessile. The total number of plants animal for the eutrophic lake is more than oligotrophic lake, and oligotrophic lake have the more oxygen present than hypomelian than the eutrophic lake. ये तो सही है. And the eutrophic lake is more than B only. The total number of the plants animal specific eutrophic lake is less than oligotrophic lake, and oxygen requires all aspiring plants and animals, and it is the replenished by the photosynthesis of the green plants. So the oxygen is level by are the already low because of the population explosions, and said the further oxygen taken by the microorganism and which be feed of the dead algal and during the decomposition of the process. Which of the following world largest marine protected area? Marine protected area is largest. So I think Ross Sea, Antarctica. So Antarctica Ross Sea declares world largest marine protected area to protect the earth most of the marine ecosystem. It was declared after a landmark international agreement 24 country and European Union to Commission for Conservation and Atlantic and Marine Living Resources, Hobart, Australia. The Ross Sea is the large intact marine ecosystem. It covers 1.6 million square and status of Ross Island is the commercial fishing across the world. Ross Sea's Southern Ocean, home 38% of Adeline pangolin, 13% of Antarctic and 6% of the world's Antarctic minke whale. Consider the following epiphyte. These plants need of the host plant to grow, and these plants are parasite and obtain nutrient from host plants. So only two is need help of the host plants to grow. Epiphytes are the plants growing on host plants but not nourished by the host plants. So nourishment is not by host, so need help of host plants to grow. That's not true, but they are nutrient from the host plants. Not correct. Actually nutrient nourishment and don't require from the host, so nutrient is not required, but yeah, they require the host plant. So epiphytes don't require nourishment, but they require the host plant. Genetic diversity is the exists between the different species and not within the same species. Genetic diversity exists between different species but not within the same species, and it ensures that the some species survive drastically change and thus carry on the desirable gene. So B is 2, and it is variation in gene with the particular species. A single species might show high diversity at the genetic level, and this is India has more than 50,000 genetically different strains of the rice, 1,000 variety of the mango. It is total number of the genetic characters in the genetic makeup of the species. It allows the species to adapt the changing environment, and it ensures that the some species survive drastically change and thus carry on the desirable gene. The beautiful butterflies, rose and the prakrit or the coral in the miratids do shape the size and result of the biodiversity. So it is the variation in the gene within the particular species. A single species might be diversity of the genetic level for the Chinese, Indian, American and African. India has the more than 50,000 genetic different strains, rice and 1,000 mango. It is the number of the genetic characteristics in the genetic makeup of the species allow the species to adapt the changing environments and ensure that the survival drastic change and thus carry out the desirable gene. The beautiful butterfly, rose, and the coral is the merit hue and shape the size result of the biodiversity. So genetic diversity exists species not within the same, it's also in the same, and ensure that the some species survive drastically change that thus carry out the desirable gene. That's true. Which of the following correctly explain the bio prospecting? Finding new habitat, artificially mating to the new species, the search for the economically valuable genetic value. C. The search for economically valuable genetical and biochemical resource from the nature. So the search for economically valuable genetics and the biochemical resource from the nature is known as the bioprospecting. So the search for the economically valuable genetic and the biochemical resources is known as the bioprospecting. Bioprospecting can be defined systematic search for the development of new source of chemical compound, gene, microorganism and other valuable products from nature. It entails the search for economically valuable genetic and biological resources. So in brief, bioprospecting mean looking for way to commercialize biodiversity. National Indoor Biodiversity explores the genetic species. Which among the following are the geographical area all? So these are the reasons. Next one is the Li-Fi. Li-Fi is the latest communication technology which is transmit data using the spectrum of visible light. So it's Li-Fi optical wireless technology, visible light communication, but mostly the Li-Fi is light fidelity and speeds possible to be 10 gigabit and 25 times faster than the super fast broadband. The name of the Li-Fi was first coined by the Edinburgh University of Professor Harold Haas. It works for the sending the data for the lights and for the purpose of the light emitting diodes. Anyone at all flicked and off order to the able to generate the signals. A proper light receiver is made for receiving the LED signals, and this bulb will hold for the microchip that will be the job of the processing the data. The light intensity can be manipulated to send the data by the tiny change in the amplitude, and this is fundamental property of Li-Fi. Intensity can be modulated into the very high speed and varying amplitude. LED can be switched on and off in the high speed. The question of the mind, why would be the someone sit below the flickering light bulb, and but this is not thing. The technology is focusing on making sure light bulb is flickered and the billion of second At the same rate, the human eye simply cannot notice the light bulb being flickered or not. So Li-Fi products are for primarily sub-assembly bulb, and this is for the control electrical inputs and output. The lamp and houses the microcontroller used for the manage different lamp function. So this is generate the solid states guided into an electrical fields and the high concentration of energy. So this all. Reserve price is a minimum price that set by the government from which actions are starts. Its amount for reserve PSU. No, its reserve price is set by the government from which action starts. So why auction in spectrum is done? Spectrum is scarce resources need to manage efficiently. Also, spectrum can't use by the many people, so it has allocated to some person who can manage this service until it ends auction. So the government auction it's become the spectrum is resources and the ownership rights for it are vested government of India. It is not a private property, so government auctions it's also a lot of revenue for the regenerated selling of spectrum. That money can be used by the developed program in India. Which of the following is the multiplexing? Multiplexing is the code division, frequency division, time division, amplitude division. So this is the amplitude division multiplexes. A m equals to a. Okay, so any information voice data is sent to the another party used to communication channel. In this way, the communication channel is the radio wave, and but the spectrum under these are radio for this limited user can be used this communication channel, and the communication channel have to be used efficiently. Which of the following is the RFID technique? These sticks are contained electronically stores information, and unlike the barcode, they need not within the line of the sights of reader. That's not true. Electronic is RFID can identify managed stock tool equipment without manual data. So 1 and 3, 1, 2, 3 all. Unlike the barcode, the tag need not be within the line of the sights of the reader. This is also the unlike the barcode, the line of the sight of the reader. So RFID technique is used to electromagnetic field to automatically identify and take the attached to the object. The tag contain the electronic stored information, and passive tags collect the energy from a nearby RFID reader interrogating the radio waves, and active tags have the local power source and may operate the hundred of meter from the RFID reader. Unlike a barcode, the tag needs not be within the sights of the reader, so it is may be embedded in track the object and method of automatically identify and data capture. So electronic key RFID based on the log system assists the management, tracking the goods, tracking the person, animal, toll the collections and the contactless payments, machine readers and the documents, smart dust and airport baggage tracking, logistic timing for the sporting events, and tracking the billings of the process. So next one is the Tarang Sanchar portal is for the development of the public-private partnership made of the Department of Telecommunication. Information to the public regarding the electromagnetic field signals are the ally of the microconceptor and fear of the healthy issue. So this is for the check the current status of the mobile, and this is EMF for signal compliance. So public to go through the latest development and the corresponding information available for the EMF. Which of the following is certain? It's governmental organization Ministry of Defense. That's not true. It's identifies cyber security and taking the emergency handling the cyber. So this is Ministry of Communication and Information Technology, MCI. MCI is there and it's deal with the cyber security and perform the duties cyber incident information regarding, and this is cyber security incidents, and for advisory, and for this the daily user of the cert in is Hikti malware, Dyrinja Trojan, Hellstroke malware, new virus of the Hikti, Dyrinja and the Hellstroke. Which following defines DigiLocker? So it's provided government enables citizen to store important documents. A is true. So DigiLocker is the service operated by the government of India that enable the Indian citizen to store certain official document in cloud, and the service aimed towards reducing the needs of carry physical documents. And store 1 GB and store identifications cards issued government agency, education certificate, PAN card, driving license, vehicle ownership documents, and some other document. So their associated facility signing is for minimum use of physical is also available there. Which of the following cloud computing is the initiative of government of India? So this is the Meghraj. So Meghraj is the name of the government of India new program, which is the clouds and rules. So this technology immense. Another Meghraj is the GI tag initiative also. Which of the following is the correct about Bash bug? So it's a Bash take with the window operating system, and Big Bash is bypass the security and give complete access to the attacker. So only two is three. It's not window operating system. Is a Unix operating system, not window. It's a Bash bug is the Unix operating system. As bug can be cause a serious security issue, and bug can bypass the security and give the complete access to the attacker. So use can lose its control over the computer system and data information into the system become the vulnerable. Next, which of the following is digital snooping? It is a term given to the spying on the personal data, interrupting personal information by the decrypting the password. So that's true. डिजिटल स्नूपिंग इज़ द पर्सनल डाटा पे कोई अटैक करे तो उसे डिजिटल स्नूपिंग कहते हैं. डिजिटल वायरस नहीं है और बैंकिंग को हैक करने वाला भी नहीं है, और 3D इमेज वाला तो बिल्कुल ही नहीं है. तो डिजिटल स्नूपिंग जो है पर्सनल, डिजिटल स्नूपिंग इज़ द स्पाइंग पर्सनल इन्फॉर्मेशन एंड टेक्निक फॉर द मॉनिटरिंग प्राइवेट एंड द नेटवर्क फॉर द पासवर्ड डाटा. सो द इंटरसेप्शन ऑफ द डाटा इज डन बाय द नेटवर्क लेयर. Attacker use the software program. Then once the password obtained, an attacker obtain the computer access to steal the manipulate data. And this organization personality has exposed the evil snooping. Next is which one of the following correct regarding the specific absorption rates? It is standard safe exposure for the radio frequency. Department of Telecommunication has come to the SAR regulation to check the electromagnetic radiation, address the health concern. So it's a safe exposure to radio frequency, and Department of Telecommunication has come to the SAR regulate to the check electronic radiation to address the health concern, regulate mobile manufacturing industry. So this is for the safe exposure to the radio frequency, specific absorption rate for the radio frequency, and Department of Telecommunication has come to the SAR regulation to check the electromagnetic radiation to address the health concerns and regulate the mobile manufacturing industry. It is a standard to safe exposure to the radio frequency, and its amount for the radio frequency or the electromagnetic frequency absorbed by unit for tissue and human body, and the watt for kilogram. So the mobile radio frequency is for the tissue. High frequency can cause the mutation of the gene transmission, and this is for 1.6 watt per kilogram. And Department of Telecommunication has the SAR regulation to check the electromagnetic radiation. Samruddhi corridor is check the it's for the standard safe exposure to radio frequency and check the electromagnetic radiation. So it's a specific absorption rate. Samruddhi corridor is Mumbai to Ahmedabad, Mumbai to Nagpur. Okay, Samruddhi corridor is Mumbai to Nagpur. The government of exempted the masala bond issue from withholding tax measure taken by the government of India. Masala bond are rupee denominated instrument issued abroad by Indian borrowers. The rupee denominated bond, which is often called the masala bond, are proposed in the bi-monthly policy. The advantage of this bond is that by depreciation rupee will not be affect the borrower, and the Reserve Bank of India permitted multilateral regional financial institution to invest in rupee denominated bond in order to provide the more choices of investor in the Indian entity issuing rupee denominated bonds. It has decided to also the permit multilateral and the regional financial institution where the India is the member country to invest in the rupee denominated. So it's a it's decided to also the permit the multilateral and the regional. Dawoodi Bohra is living in Gujarat. They are sect of the Islamic branch of the Shia, and they largely for Dawoodi Bohra is in the reference to their professional Gujarati and Behru trade. Now, which of the following chiller star labeling program is mandatory for the large commercial and industrial entity to comply with the central heating, ventilation and air conditioning system under the program? It has been formulated Bureau of Energy Efficiency. So only Bureau of Efficiency, its large commercial industrial entity to comply with the heating, ventilation and air conditioning system. That's not true. It is the formulated Bureau. Its advises providing star rating in the term of the energy performance, and initially the program is launched by the voluntary basis. It's not the mandatory. Okay, so this voluntary and mandatory, but always keep in mind. Hodeidah was where is located. So Hodeidah is in, I think it's Yemen. Houthi is same, the Hodeidah is Yemen. Okay. So higher biochemical oxygen, more polluted in the river, and the number of the polluted stretch in India river has drastically decreased. That's not true, only A is true. So it is proxy organic pollution, that higher it is the worse the river. Central Pollution Control Board has a program to monitor the quality of river, primarily BOD. Health of river efficiency water treatment measure by the states and municipal body are classified depending upon BOD. With BOD greater than the 30 mg per term is priority 1, while the others 3.1 for the mg priority 5. So it's for the health river. Now next one is the MP leads is 5 crore per member to be spent to project of their choice in their consistency. The scheme funded to the Ministry of Strategic Program Implementation. Project are recommended to the implementation district level administration. Next is MOCUM. MOCUM is the labor industry loan, divorce and music. MOCUM is the labor laws. It's a music. Okay, using the Iqbal Ahmad Khan MOCUM is the festive. It is the Oriental system which is instrument across Central Asia and classical music for presentation of the Bukharian Jew. So MOCUM is the historically the primarily space of Bukharian navigate the relationship with their others, especially the Muslim Central Asians, and music contribute to the space for intercultural exchange of Bukharian other than shift to the environment. Now next one is it's a computing initiative to distribute network for infrastructure, university research and national knowledge. Both are true. Garuda is India's first national grid initiative, bringing together academic scientists and the developing compute intense application. And Garuda grid is the aggregations for the resource computing of the computation node, mass storage, scientific instrument distributed to the country. Garuda is a service oriented architecture based on the cyber security, connecting the computing nodes and is distributed across the country. So the Department of Information and Technology, Government of India has funded the Center for Development Advanced Computing for the grid Garuda, and this is for aim to bring the distribution grid networks, and this national knowledge network is there. Consider the following about the comprehensive integrated border management system. It's enable the surveillance during the different weather condition and reduce the need for the physical patrolling. It include the thermal mapping, and this both are true. Comprehensive integrated border system surveillance communication enable the surveillance during the difficult weather. So integrated border management system is for that based laser based infrared and in interest of infiltration and detect any type of movement below the ground. Next one is the new high-tech surveillance device such as the sensor detector, camera, ground-based radar system, micro aerospace lasers are the around the clock surveillance, and this is efficient and dedicated to communication network including the fiber optics and cable satellite communication transmitting data gathered by the diverse high-tech surveillance and detecting the service. So it's a common control for appraise of the common about the happening of providing the pictures. Consider the zoom cultivation. It is the process of growing crop, clearing the land, tree and vegetations. It is primitive practice of cultivation in the South India. That's not true. Only one. Which of the following rolled the first hydrogen power train? First hydrogen power Japan, Germany. I was doing Germany. Mongla Port is West Bengal, and hydrogen power train is Germany. Okay. So Bangladesh is allowed to India Chittagong Mongla seaport to transporting goods from the northeastern state. The port Mongla is the second busiest seaport. It's located to the Bagarpur districts of the southwest part of the country, and it's 62-kilometer Bay of Bengal coastline. Mongla is one of the major port in Bengal Delta. UNESCO World Heritage Sites in the region, including the Sundarban Mosque city of the Bagarpet. The port also hosts for the Mongla exports processing zone. Consider the following about the Akash missile. It is DRDO as part of the Integrated Guided Missile Development Program. Isme the Bharat Dynamics Limited. So DRDO 1984 program, guided missile program. इंटीग्रेटेड गाइडेड में था क्या? हाँ था. एंड भारत दोनों ही सही है. भारत डायनेमिक ही था. इट इंक्लूड द टेक्नोलॉजिकली 360 डिग्री कवरेज. नेक्स्ट वन इज United Nations Inter-Agency is the child mortality and estimation. So harmonize estimates the United Nations system, improve the method of child mortality estimation. Reports to be towards the it's UNICEF is the World Health Organization, World Bank and United Nations UNICEF World Bank for the Department of Economic and the Social Affairs estimate the 6.3 million 15 years and seconds, so mostly preventive causes according to the new mortality estimate. UNICEF, World Health Organization and United Nations Population Division and World Bank. UNICEF, World Bank and WHO. This is for the cure and this newborn are 5.44 million deaths are there. 2.5 million newborn died in the first months, and the most children under the age of die because of the preventive treatable causes such as the complications during the birth, pneumonia and diarrhea, and neonatal sepsis and malaria. And comparison among the children between 5 to 14, injuries become a more prominent cause of death and drowning and the road traffic. So under 5 mortality rates among the children is rural, an average 50% higher than the among the children in urban India. So in addition to those, undereducated mothers are more than likely to die. Globally, half of the deaths of the children are the sub-Sahara and the 30% South Asia. Lack of the access to the water, sanitation, nutrition result into the 80200 infant death, and reported by the United Nations Interagency Group for the Child Mortality Estimation.